Okay, so we've marked our 7 points out here. I'm just going to extend these lines out and make a sort of grid that we're going to use to help us draw the isometric circle. Do this anytime you've got an isometric circle, and we've got 1, 2 for the big circle and the wee circle, 3, 4 for these circular parts here, so we're going to be doing this a few times in this drawing. Okay, to form this up, we're going to measure the distance from there to there, and we're going to transfer that onto here. Now, if it helps, and maybe it does, you can label these points. So I can go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then on here I can say A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, and that can help. So I've measured that size there for F. I'm going to mark that one here. It happens to be the same size for B, and I can turn it around, and because it's symmetrical, it's the same size on there as well. Okay, I'm going to do the one E here, and that's the same as C, obviously the same as E. Turn it over, mark that on there, and then we've got the one here in the centre, D or O if you like, out to there, mark that on there, mark that on there. Okay, so that's the outer. Now imagine this is the bottom of this, because it's obviously that thick, so that's the bottom of it, and that's just drawing the outside edge of it here. So the next thing, there's no nothing else for it, but you have to just sketch in a smooth curve through these points. Okay, now if you want to kind of rehearse the circle that you're going to draw, it's always a good idea to go through like 3 points at a time is a good idea. And this is a much shallower turn, so it's not as tight a turn. Okay, you can see the shape building up there. Now obviously we were talking about this before, that when it comes to here, this part doesn't actually hit off the outside circle at all, so I'm going to be stopping before I get to C, and I'm going to be stopping before I get to E as well. But what I will do though is I'm going to draw it in anyway just now, because it then helps me to get the shape of the curve. So this is a much more shallow curve, the other curve's quite tight. Okay, so we've got the basic shape there, and that's the outside, as I said before. Now since this is the bottom, what I'm going to do is I'm going to project up from these points the height of the curved part. So we'll do that just now and project up from them. So here, if I zoom in and just show you what we've got at the moment, this is what we've got. So I'm going to project up from each of these points. So up here, 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 here. Okay, measure the height, and mark that on. I haven't made these lines long, so just to extend them a wee bit. Okay, so I've got points there. And again, we can sketch in a smooth curve through the points. It's a much tighter turn here, as you can see. And you can see that it's beginning to take shape. Okay, so we're starting to build that up now. We've obviously got the inside parts as well to be done. I'm going to extend this up just while I'm at it just now, just to kind of close the curve off almost. I think that'll help with the overall shape. That'll actually run into there anyway, so it'll just be more or less a straight line there. Okay, so we've got the inside curve to do. I think what I'm going to do just now though is I'm going to build up this part here, this shape here, and that way I can then work out a few things in the drawing.